Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable others to add your post or stories on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up TikTok and click on the profile icon. Then you can see the three lines on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it and go to settings and privacy. Tap on privacy. Now you should tap on story. As you can see in the second there is story. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see you can choose who can add your post or stories. So if you want everyone to enable to post your photos and stories that you posted, just go ahead and tap on enable. So others may be enabled to add your post to their stories depending on your privacy settings. So go ahead and tap on everyone, or else if you only want your friends can add your post or stories, you can choose this option as well. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.